Easy things make life a pleasure.
Thank you.
And hands-free Kiziks are the easiest shoes. Kiziks make life easier.
That and being a 30-year-old man who still lives with his mom.
And Nanny.
With Kizik hands-free shoes, you only use your feet to put them on, and they stay on. Thanks for working out for me. I get so tired when I do it myself.
You're in and out of our shoes all day long. Maybe you have to take out the trash or bring in the groceries. Then your kid wants to play by the pool. Tennis ball! And your kid falls asleep by the pool.
Kiziks make life so much easier, so you can spend more time enjoying life's happy little moments. He looks so grown up.
Because he is a grown-up.
No matter what stage of life you're in, you deserve a comfortable quality shoe with hands-free technology. Click on the link and order your Kiziks today. Kizik's springback heel gives you the secure feeling of lace-up shoes with the convenience of slip-ons, so you can see they're worth every penny.
What's a penny? I didn't realize it before, but putting on shoes used to be a huge hassle. First, you have to bend over, stand on one foot, untangle laces. It was almost never worth going outside at all.
Now, I love the outdoors.
I'm going to walk the dog, Mommy.
Walk!
But be back in 20. Kiziks have a 4.9 star rating. Listen to the people.
My husband raves about these shoes. They're the most comfortable shoes he's ever worn.
Feet have a new best friend.
I don't want to use regular shoes anymore. I ended up buying 4 pairs.
A great shoe is hard to find. We tried everything from the store.
Nope. No. Maybe not.
And if you slip on other shoes, that actually means jam your finger in or crush the heel. Now try all that while pregnant. I'm not pregnant. I mean, I think that ship has sailed. I wouldn't want to make that mistake twice.
Mommy, look!
And if for some reason you're not happy with your Kiziks, they're also the easiest to exchange or return. Simply peel and reseal the same box and send it back for free.
Please tell them I would like the blue ones instead.
I don't just personally take these to the company. That's
Will
not
this
how this
be enough?
Yes. Okay.
After using Kiziks, going back to tying shoes is like going from automatic windows to manual.
Or from streaming movies to rentals.
Hands-free shoes may not seem like a big deal, but once you try them, you'll wish you'd found them sooner.
Ooh. You like it?
I do.
Yeah. This is how shoes should have been all along. Get your Kiziks today and make putting on shoes a pleasure. Kiziks, don't let your shoes slow you down. Ooh, this hurts my tum-tum. Please tell the cow next time less lactose.
Honey, that's not how
I
it
take
works.
full responsibility.